In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a dynamic zoom effect to your photos using CapCut, making your images pop with interest and movement in your video projects. This is a remarkably simple technique but can significantly enhance your visual storytelling. So let's dive right in. To begin, you'll want to place the photo you'd like to work with on the timeline. Open CapCut and make sure you're in the right project. When you're on your timeline, locate the photo you want to animate and drag it into place. Don't worry if you're unsure about your image choice. You can always swap it out later. Once it's on the timeline, make sure it's correctly positioned where you want this part of your story to unfold. With your photo now set on the timeline, the next step is to click on it to select it. This is crucial. Selecting ensures that any adjustments you make will apply only to this photo, not the entire project. Once it's selected, direct your attention to the menu options that appear above. You'll see a variety of editing tools available, but for now, focus on finding the one labeled Animations. Once you're in the Animations section, this is where the fun begins. You'll be presented with multiple options to animate your image, but today we're specifically looking to add a zoom effect. The zoom effect is fantastic for drawing your audience's attention right into the heart of your image. It creates a feel of movement, almost as if the photo is popping out or drawing you in, which is especially effective if you're aiming to highlight a particular detail or evoke emotion. Now, as you choose the zoom effect, take a moment to preview how it plays out on your photo. CapCut allows you to check how the effect looks in real time, giving you the ability to tweak it until it fits perfectly with your vision. Consider the pace of the zoom. Do you want it fast for dramatic impact or slow for a gentle reveal? These subtle changes can make a big difference in the final presentation. And there you have it. With just these straightforward steps, you've added a professional and engaging zoom effect to your photo in your CapCut project. Remember to play around with different variations of the zoom effect to see which fits best with the mood and narrative of your video. Experimentation is key, and don't hesitate to try out other animations and effects CapCut offers to further enhance your project. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Feel free to drop a comment if you have any questions or share how this tip has worked for you. Stay creative and keep exploring new ways to bring your stories to life. Until next time.